6 ways to turn your barn or shed into a business. Ever look at that old shed or dusty barn in your backyard and think, man, this could be more than just a spider hotel? Well, you're not wrong. What if I told you that a forgotten structure could become your next 6-figure income stream? That quiet wooden box in your backyard might just be your golden goose. And no, we're not talking lemonade stands or basic farm tours. We're diving into rare, high-profit, totally legit business ideas that you've probably never heard of. So grab your notebook and a cup of ambition, because in this video we're giving your barn or shed a serious glow-up and turning it into a money machine. Let's dive into 6 jaw-droppingly profitable ways to turn that barn or shed into a business empire. 1. Artisan cold storage, the Ice Age. Reimagined estimated profit potential, $2,000, $6,000 a month. Okay, hear me out. Converting your shed into a micro cold storage unit for artisan food vendors and small farms is big money. We're talking climate-controlled, sanitized, and secure mini cold vaults that local businesses can rent by the pallet. This isn't your uncle's beer fridge, Derek. With a $3K investment in insulation, shelving, and commercial refrigeration units, many available secondhand, you can start offering temperature-controlled storage to microgreen growers, small batch cheese makers, butcheries and charcuterie startups, pop-up meal, prep chefs. Charge $150, $300 per month per vendor depending on the space and security. With just 10 tenants, you're pushing $3K/month. Want to go even bigger? Offer logistics, pickup and delivery, or even basic inventory tracking for an extra fee. You've just turned your old barn into a micro-logistics hub for the foodpreneur economy. 2. Shedflix Studios, rentable backyard video sets. Estimated profit potential, $1,000, $5,000 000 month. Content creators are starving for unique shoot locations that don't scream bedroom with LED lights. That's where your barn comes in. Turn that space into a ready-to-shoot mini film studio. Rustic walls, good lighting, maybe even different scenes like an old general store, a retro gas station, or a cozy cabin kitchen. Charge $50 $100/hour for local creators. Package deals for podcasters and YouTubers. Monthly subscriptions for recurring users. Bonus: add a green screen, ring lights, Wi-Fi, and maybe even an editing bay. Local colleges, churches, and influencers will line up. Extra monetization: create your own content there too. Passive income from renting and active income from producing Kingdom Cash videos. You just built a content gold mine, my friend. 3. Biochar barn. Turn burnt wood into black gold. Estimated profit potential, $3,000, $10, $000 a month. This one is for the sustainable hustlers. Biochar is a type of charcoal made from biomass, and it's one of the hottest products in regenerative agriculture and carbon offset markets. Farmers, gardeners, and even climate tech companies want it bad. Here's how it works. Convert your barn into a biochar production site using a low-emission pyrolysis kiln. Source wood waste. You can get paid to take it off people's hands. Produce and bag the biochar. Sell to farmers, landscapers, or on Amazon Etsy as soil additive. A well-optimized barn can generate 1-2 tons a month. Retail value around $1 per pound. That's $4K plus gross if you market right. Plus, some municipalities give tax credits or carbon offset bonuses for biochar businesses. This is not just weird. It's profitable and planet-friendly. 4. Niche gear rental hub for homesteaders and hobby farmers. Estimated profit potential, $2,500, $7, $000 a month. If you've ever looked up the price of a seed cleaner, cider press, or portable chicken coop and thought, that's insane, you're not alone. Hobby farmers and backyard homesteaders want the gear, but not the price tag. Solution? Turn your barn into a rental depot for niche ag and homesteading gear. Start by investing in beekeeping kits, soil blockers and propagation trays, apple presses, egg candlers, small batch milling or grain cleaning equipment. People will pay $30, $200 for weekend rentals, especially in small towns or growing rural suburbs. Pro tip: add a basic instructional video with each item and you become an educational rental biz. This opens the door to upsells like online courses, live demos, and gear repair services. You'll be the Lowe's of the land-loving lifestyle. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 5. Micro retreat or digital detox den. Estimated profit potential, $4,000, $12, 000 month, depending on nightly rates and availability. You've heard of Airbnbs, but this isn't just about renting a bed. This is about renting an experience. Convert your shed or barn into a luxury digital detox cabin. Think no Wi-Fi, no screens, but all the cozy rustic vibes. People pay to go off-grid and be still. Add vintage record players, wood stoves or pellet heaters, skylights for stargazing journals, hot tea, hammock chairs. Market it for solo retreats, writers, or burnt-out entrepreneurs looking to reset. Pricing: $120 $300/night depending on location. You only need 15 nights booked to bring in serious income. Bundle with add-ons like meals, nature walks, or coaching sessions for extra dough. Even better, build a waitlist with early access pricing. That barn might become the most sought-after retreat on Airbnb 6. High-end pet spa and retreat estimated profit potential: $5,000, $15, 000 month. This one is next level. The pet industry is a $100 billion beast, and people will gladly spend more on their dog's vacation than their own. Turn your barn into a boutique pet spa and wellness retreat. No kennels here, we're talking aromatherapy and calming music, heated floors and orthopedic beds, doggy massages and grooming pup yoga sessions. Yes, it's real. Offer weekend retreats for $400, $800 per dog. Upsell luxury add-ons like organic meals, farm fresh eggs, or adventure walks through the woods. You could also offer pickup/drop-off services for busy pet parents or create a VIP membership model. One average weekend with 10 dogs equals $6, 000 plus. Do that twice a month and you've got a serious stream of income. And some happy hounds. Whew, we just took your humble barn or shed and gave it a total business makeover. From soil alchemy to boutique pet stays, your backyard just became the boardroom. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.